Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to get 5 million in Hamster Kombat Daily Combo. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. First, go to your Hamster Kombat. And now here on the bottom of your mobile screen, you will find many options. From these options, tap on the option Mine. And now here, on the top, you will find the option Daily Combo. So, you need to find 3 combo cards here to get 5 million coins. So where we will find these cards today, first select this marketing profit per hour rate on the second number, and then click on Go Ahead. And now we will get the first card successfully. Now next, on the top from these options, go to Specials. And here in the special, click on the first plan, 250 hamster players. And then click on Go Ahead. And that's it. We will find the second card. Now next, find the third and the last card. Now here, click on New Cards. Scroll down and you will find the card Bitcoin Pizza Day. Just tap on it. And then tap on Go Ahead. Now we will successfully get all 3 cards. So tap on Take the Prize to get your 5 million prizes successfully.